Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix touchscreen not responding on your Nothing Phone 3. So first, remove the screen protector and a case because it can cause a lot of interference, and let me explain why. Basically, when you have a case and it's not original, then let me just take it off. Here, as you guys can see, this part right here can cover some part of the screen, and we do not want that. So if your case is not original, then I'm sorry, you might have to throw that out if that isn't made perfectly. Now moving on to the screen protector, as you guys can see, I've got mine applied, and now after applying, make sure that it's actually placed correctly. If not, then that might cause issues with the touchscreen later, and it can cause unresponsiveness. So make sure that you remove them if they cause problems. Now what you guys can do is clean this basically with the microfiber cloth. So swipe a little bit. Don't go too hard on the device, we don't want to damage that. And now as you guys can see, let me place it like that. It's very clear now. And now we can try and see if the screen is more responsive. If not, then what we can do is we can restart the phone to refresh the entire system. So hold the power button, the volume up button, and press restart. Now our phone is restarting, and I'll see you guys once the phone is ready to use. Now after the restart, the last thing you guys can do is update your software. So go over to settings. Now here, scroll a bit down and go over to the system. Here select system updates and make sure that your system is up to date just like mine. If not, then I recommend you guys updating it. You will see the update button right here at the bottom. And that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful, and if it was, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.